afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the season of holidays, the season of Christmas, the season of Advent. And we are moving into this week, this Sunday, December 2nd, with a faithful heart. Now, we all have a faithful heart, but what is our heart faithful to? And how do we express that faithful heart? And we'll look at that and how it applies to our Christmas story and what the message is as to how we get to look at our own lives today in these times when it's challenging to be true to that which is the higher calling of our being. And yet we'll get an opportunity to explore that idea. And what I know is that you are those that are here with faithful hearts, faithful to that divine essence, faithful to being light presence in the world, being those who are sharing loving kindness. And I am grateful to walk in the midst of those kinds of angelic beings and divine presence that truly know that they are called to something bigger than themselves, bigger than that which the mind would have them believe. So we'll look forward to exploring more of that this Sunday and having a great time with starting into our Christmas carols and experiencing this opportunity to come to the season with a conscious intention and with a deliberate presence that changes how we experience and share these holidays. We started that story last week with the pause. We started into the pause, and now we move forward with this faithful heart into that which is calling us to a greater expression of new birth, of new life, of the creation and expression of a Christ presence that is beyond anything that we personally could create or imagine. And yet we will live in this faithful heart of creation as we express the Christ. So blessings, everyone. Let's have a great couple of days, and I'll see you Sunday.